Hello, beautiful. It's so great to be here with you. I just returned from a women's business conference in Austin, Texas. I was there last week, invited as a speaker. It was just so wonderful to be in a room with such brilliant women. Amazing. I just had the best time. And it was really interesting kind of what questions came up, what concerns came up, over their health and how they were able sort of to navigate their days. And one of the things that came up was really acid reflux. And many of them, use tools to neutralize their stomach acid so that, their digestion feels better. And that's a really big topic. And we're going to learn more about that in Robin's Hormone Reset. Hi, I'm Robin Nielsen, CEO and founder of Natural Hormone Solution. And when we neutralize our stomach acid by using Tums or other medications like proton pump inhibitors, Nexium, we are really keeping our health stuck. So it's really important for you to know how to support your digestion in a better way than neutralizing your stomach acid. You won't be able to build your body back up. You're going to be constantly tired and your digestion will never be healed. So let's get you healed. Let's get you feeling so much better. The link is right here. Join Robin's Hormone Reset, and I look forward to supporting you. Sending lots of love. Mwah.